Every great idea starts with a spark. Maybe it's a striking email, a landing page that made you stop and stare, a campaign that made you think, I want to create something like that. At Beefree, we believe that spark should turn into creation, without barriers, free from complexity, accessible to everyone, and full of possibility. We take care of the obstacles so you can do what you do best: create, communicate, and make an impact. That's why we built Beefree SDK, the foundation of effortless creation. It empowers developers and SaaS platforms to embed advanced design tools right into their products, so their users can create on-brand emails, pages, and pop-ups without friction, without compromise, and with the confidence of built-in intelligence and best practices. Built on the SDK, the Beefree app is proof of what's possible. It shows that creating something powerful doesn't have to be complicated. Every day, thousands of marketers, designers, and developers use it to bring ideas to life, quickly, easily, and always on brand. Whether exploring new layouts, collaborating across teams, or designing at scale, Beefree helps creators move fast and stay consistent without sacrificing sophistication. Every email journey has a beginning, and it starts at Really Good Emails, the ultimate source for email inspiration, curated from the world's best campaigns, and a vibrant community where ideas take flight and creators grow together. In a world enhanced by AI, we help people create with confidence, where innovation remains human, inventive, and free. Wherever your creativity takes you, Beefree makes the journey fast, empowering, and full of possibility. From inspiration to creation, ideas don't wait, and neither should you.